we can say that God reconciles us to himself in the cross of Christ, and that with the gift of his Holy Spirit can begin to help us to be reconciled, merciful to others.
That we remember those people who are no longer here, remember those people who were forever changed by their experience, and commit that we will pass on those stories.
I am deeply honoured to be asked here today to speak to you.
Things have really profoundly affected me in my 2 times that I've been to Rwanda with Jose. And I think the words on the banner behind me sum it up. Remember, unite, renew.
Are equal in the constitution, in the Republic of Rwanda, and tribe that used to separate people, we are removed in this constitution, where now we all have same nation identity cards because we are now equal.
Happen again, not only in Rwanda, but anywhere where we have access and capability to intervene. And as an example, there were episodes of genocides in Sudan, in Darfur, and Rwanda was the first country to send in troops, despite the limited capacity.